This is Mystery Side Hustle, and today's question is how many shops can a new shopper schedule? And that is basically a unlimited and also limited answers. Let me explain. Every mystery shop company has their own rules, and every mystery shop company gives each shopper a score based upon how good you are or how bad you are will indicate the score. 10 is the highest that I can recall, and 0 is the lowest. Of course, you want to strive for a 10. When you first start a shop, you get a score of a 5 on most platforms. And when you do shop successfully, you are able to increase your score. The higher the score, the more they trust you and able to give you those big buck mystery shops. And the lower your score, of course, they will overlook you and not really trust to give you shops because you're not deemed reliable. So, for those that are actually between 5 and 0, you can expect to not receive many shops at all. But you are able to sign up for as many mystery shop companies as you would like. If you have a lot of shops that are actively in your portfolio, you can sign up with one shop from each of them, which gives you however many you choose to actually have a shop for. Even though on one mystery shop platform, you may have a very low score. And on the flip side, if you are 6 and above, and this is how you are on all other platforms as well, same thing applies. You can apply for however many you want, but you're able to get those good top tier shops with high pay because you are deemed reliable and things like that.